Hey everybody, T.O. from Art Geek Teaching. Today is part 1 of making an African mask look like metal and leather. Coming up. Okay, this will be a test here. I've got a couple things going. One of the things is this weird mask that my daughter wants me to do something on. And so I thought probably what I would do, this thing, I don't like this at all. It's somewhat demonic to me. So I'm going to use the Bible that I have that I use for collage, and I'm just going to go ahead and put some collage, some scripture on this thing, and see if I can figure out what we're going to do with it, I think.